healthy lifestyle and holistic wellness. Yan na nga ang movement ngayon. Especially dahil ang dami na nga rin nating mga nakukuhang sakit dahil na rin sa hindi magandang eating and lifestyle habit. Ang healthy or ang holistic wellness, no, ay maraming factors yan. Ito ay keeping ourselves active, getting good hours of sleep, managing our stress, at higit sa lahat, eating healthy.
At alam mo, Harvey, nung nag-start yung pandemic, no, nakita ko na mas naging health conscious talaga yung mga tao. Kaya nakakatuwa na ngayon, no, even after more years, no, ay mas nakikita natin na yung merong mga resto na gusto nila yung sinaserve nila, in-aim nila na yung mga sinaserve nila na food ay healthy. At alam niyo po ba na dito sa San Juan ay merong Resto Cafe na nagsaserve ng A-OK na healthy menu. Ayan, kaya samahan niyo po kami sa food trip natin ngayong araw na ito. Tara, kain tayo!
So we're here sa A Cafe located at 453 P. Guevara, San Juan. Ayan, Erica, kumusta ba yung vibes ng cafe?
Actually, nung pagpasok natin, yung parang una ko na-feel ay parang homey siya, no? Pero at the same time, sophisticated din yung look niya na parang kunyari gusto mong mag-work from home, dito ka, yan, parang pwede kang mag-relax din, no? Kasi parang medyo tahimik din siya yung place. Pero at the same time, kung gusto mo rin mag-meeting, I think pwede rin dito. Kasi alam ko, work-friendly din sila.
May wifi, no?
Oo, kaya maganda eh, makausap na natin ng isa sa mga general manager, no, ng A Cafe. At yan po si Chef April.
Right, who happens to be a chef herself, si Chef April. Ayan.
Hello po.
Siyempre, gusto nating malaman paano ba nag-start si A Cafe.
Okay, so si A Cafe, na-formulate siya nung owner because she was having some health issues. So she was so stressed with her previous company and yun, during that time, parang sobrang stress niya. She went, parang balik-balik siya sa hospital. It's because of her health niya. So sa food na kinakain niya and so super stressed with all the load. And then, yun, so she wasn't a Christian back then. And then, naging Christian, so, yun, na-save siya. And then, she decided na i-turn yung life niya. So, she sold her previous company. And then, she went to overseas para to build herself again. And then, during the pandemic, she wanted to, like, parang nakita niya yung change yun sa pagiging healthy niya. And she wants to, yun yung gusto niya maging advocacy.
So, that was a turning point.
Yes, yung naging Christian siya. So she decided to open Ariana Aesthetic Clinic para sa beauty and wellness.
Started with the
Yeah,
clinic,
with the
wellness clinic.
yes. So during the pandemic, wala naman masyadong client ng aesthetic clinic. So she said, what if I just open a cafe which serves healthy food? And then yun yung naging ano niya, parang motivation niya. So, yun.
So, ngayon talaga nakikita natin, no, parang naging turning point talaga ng mga tao yung pandemic na doon tayo mas nag-start na maging healthy, maging conscious doon sa mga kinakain natin, no. So, talaga nag-boom yung mga ganitong mga parang cafe na nag-serve ng healthy food. So, siguro, paano ba siya na-formulate into, yun nga, bringing a healthy menu sa A Cafe? Ano yung, kumbaga parang, paano nyo sinimulan? Nag-start pa siya na coffee lang, gano'n. Tapos nagkaroon kayo ng parang food.
So gusto niya, parang the idea is something light when after mo sa clinic, she wants something na parang
You can just
alam mo
grab.
yun, parang So she wants bread na healthier.
Mhm.
So she doesn't use improvers and food coloring. So everything is natural,
Organic.
organic. So she used freeze-dried for coloring,
Oh.
freeze-dried the fruits. Yan. So, yan. Basta gusto niya yung parang, yan yan, cleansing. And, yun.
Naku, alam mo, since pag-usapan na rin natin, no, yung mga, of course, yung breads, yung pastries nila. No? So, siguro, ano ba yung mga specialties ninyo dito? Ano ba yung mga best sellers ninyo? Here we have yung mga ilang sa mga pastries nyo, no?
Actually, every day we change our pastries.
Ah, okay.
So, wala siyang preservatives. So, kailangan
Ma-dispatch agad within the day.
So, yeah, that's one thing na good about it. So,
freshly baked every day, you know?
just like we don't stop producing new ideas. Ganun. So, every week we have R&D days.
Nice.
So, kung ano yung tingin namin na okay, we're just gonna work on new recipes. As in, continuous talaga. So, yun.
Pero kasi parang di ba usually ang nagiging perception ngayon, pag sinabing parang healthy, parang naano sila na parang, baka ano yan, yung bland or
Right,
hindi masarap.
right.
So siguro, how do you put flavor siguro na at the same time healthy pa din dun sa
yeah.
mga food?
You just do it naturally.
Natural.
So, like, with this one, it's natural beets. So, fresh beets siya.
Nice.
So, you blend it, then we puree. That's yun yung base. So, the sugar, kasi yung beets is sugar.
Great.
So, like, we just analyze the mga chemical reactions and stuff like that.
Talaga natural way lang or
Siguro sample nito, ito ba usual sugar nito of course is this a healthier version of the
kasi
sugar?
may mga ano siya,
parang may
wood-wood na
bits siya. no?
Parang balance lang siya. Kasi
Balance.
it's already seasoned with sugar. So, yung dough itself.
Alright.
So, we have like a certain margin lang yung gamit namin
Okay.
ng whatever na ingredients.
So the specialty is itong mga bread, no? So na
Lots of pastries.
everyday.
Yeah.
Yes. And at the same time, meron din kayong
Yes,
food.
for the cafe, they have they're very famous with the salmon symphony. So it's cured and then it's pan fried. It's cured for overnight
Wow.
to maximize the flavor. And yun, healthy siya, so it comes with salad.
Yes.
Yeah, parang sarap tikman, no?
Oo nga, parang
na-excite akong tikman yun.
Tikman yung mga food.
So like the owner, she's very inspired with the menu internationally. So she doesn't limit herself with whatever lang yung available. She always go extra mile. If you're gonna review the menus, meron siyang mga turmeric fried rice, beef fried rice. So
So parang it's a mixture of different cuisines din, eh, no?
international.
International. Ayan,
And at
alam
the
mo,
same time healthy, pero nag-e-enjoy ka kasi
Tama.
parang iba't iba yung variety.
yeah, intriguing, no? So ako,
Yes.
excited na talaga akong tikman yung mga food natin. So maraming salamat,
maganda.
Chef April.
Thank you, Chef.
Erika, dito na tayo sa favorite type natin.
Exciting part na hard.
Oo, tikman na natin isa-isa. No? So I think here we have yung mga specialties nila. Sige, I think, Chef, simulan natin sa...
So let's start with appetizer. So we have a seafood kangkong nachos. So our nacho chip is actually baked, not fried, and it's made with kangkong puree. So yung kangkong, yes, everything is from scratch.
Wow.
So yun. Then we use it's not mayonnaise, but it's a homemade white wine cream sauce.
Parang medyo maganda sa pandinig ko yun. It's not mayonnaise.
Yeah. So yung white stuff is actually white wine cream sauce. So yun. Let's go try. Actually, maraming version yung nachos. So we also have beets and even yung plain lang. So it's more like a tortilla chips talaga.
Chef, ano nga ulit to?
That's a real crab.
Being real for
So it's spiced with Cajun mix, which is also homemade. Yung iba-ibang version. Kasi iba-iba yung cooking method per dish. Kasi yung crab, di naman natin pwede i-saute.
Actually, kita mo yung difference niya, no? Yung from the store-bought na mga
Yes.
imitation crafts. Kita mo
Yes.
yung difference, even color pa lang.
So it's mango, avocado, salsa.
and some tomato sauce.
Basta.
Parang unang nalasahan natin is yung parang lemon niya or lime.
Pero spicy.
Pero
ba?
sobrang, actually wala pa akong masyadong nalasahang spice. I think kailangan
So
ko.
it's all like from there.
And for tayo.
Mango.
Para malaman natin.
Kasi ako medyo hina yung tolerance ko sa spicy. Pero
Hindi naman siya ganun
Hindi.
ka-spicy.
Pero para sa mga salmon lovers, parang ito yung talagang biglang mapapakatch yung attention nila.
And
I think medyo spicy pero mababalance nga nitong kumbaga parang healthier version, parang ensalada with a twist. And yung balat niya na very crispy, I think yun yung mas gusto rin minsan ng mga salmon lovers eh, yung talagang crispiness ng balat ng salmon.
Actually, yung salmon dito tsaka yung dito, may difference din eh. Again, yung difference ng pagluto, even yung lasa niya.
Yes.
From the
Yeah. Usually kasi, if you have the same item
Fish,
on the
yeah.
menu, tapos, alam mo yun, parang hindi mo ma-distinguish yung lasa from this, of course, this food. from
parang
another.
isipin mo nilipat lang dito.
Yeah. Pero dito nakita mo, very well thought of. Kita mo yung difference again with the preparation, kasi yung lasa na gusto talaga.
We need to incorporate it as a nacho talaga eh.
Right.
So diba, the hickoryness,
Na talagang for appetite.
Actually, parang first ko makita ng nacho
Seafood.
na nasa menu na seafood.
so that one is Japanese mushroom pasta. So the pasta is again homemade. It's called pappardelle. So, yun, parang very common kasi yung truffle pasta eh. So we wanted to do different. And mushroom is actually healthy. So if you'll notice, walang canned mushroom dyan.
Oh.
So there's no cream, there's nothing, just olive oil. And we just want to enhance the flavor of the mushroom with that dish.
So, usually kasi pag sinabing mushroom, truffle,
Yeah.
agad yun.
So we want to be different. And yun. So we used like 5 different mushrooms. So we only has garlic, some chili flakes.
Chef, meron siyang medyo on the sweet side a bit.
Mm.
Ano ba yung nagpapalasa na medyo matamis?
Yeah, they actually added some marine.
Okay.
Some rice wine vinegar.
Okay.
Para at least medyo balance with a little bit of the spicy. Yan. So again, the pasta is homemade.
Ang flavorful niya to.
Diba? Nasa-surprise ka.
Yung umami.
Because mushroom has a high umami, ano talaga eh,
Exactly.
content.
Alam mo yung lasa niya? Parang kumakain ng pasta na may toppings na, say, for example, any meat. Pero if you
Mushroom.
can see any meat.
So I think healthy is okay, diba?
Oh, very okay. Okay.
Okay. And then for me, nakaka-enjoy din yung pasta niya kasi ako naman ako ng mga makakapal na pasta. So, masarap din siya.
Kasi yung pasta, yung thick pasta na gamit dito, talagang kumakapit yung,
Hmm.
yung sauce.
So it's the advantage of a fresh pasta.
Right.
Lahat i-absorb
And I
na lang.
think kahit hindi sila into mushroom, masarap yung
Yeah.
flavors na lasa ng mushroom. Kumbaga hindi siya yung sa unang tingin, pag mushroom hindi
Yes,
natin
yes.
gusto, di ba?
Even yung mga mushrooms na parang, alam mo yun, sobrang gummy na niya.
Mm.
Medyo hindi na appetizing eh. Pero even the texture, okay din siya. Kumbaga, yung pasta is al dente as well as yung pagka-gummy.
Yeah.
Anong mushroom nga ba siya?
Shimeji.
Kasi ito naman, medyo may crispiness pa siya.
Yes.
So may bite pa din.
So yung shimeji, lahat sila may contribution eh. So si shiitake, it's yun nga, higher Asian palate siya. Kasi shimeji gives you texture. Then I think somewhere may inuki din siya eh.
Pero may onting spice. I think because
Yeah.
of the...
So just to kill the sweetness. Kaya I added a little bit chili flakes.
Ano ang pangalan ulit nito siya?
It's a Japanese mushroom.
Japanese.
parang ito na yung order mo susunod.
Oo. Pag ayaw mo ng kanin, ganyan, pwede ito yung i-launch mo. So, parang heavy na lang siya.
Pero yun nga, even na meron siyang mga konting, alam mo yun, pangha. Pero hindi naman siya ganun talaga.
Well balanced.
Nag-a-add lang siya.
Kasi ako again, mahina yung tolerance ko sa I think pwede tayo sumunod.
Yes, ito naman.
So this one is,
nakaka-tasted.
this one's alige with
Wow,
fried
alige.
dilis and fried shrimp.
So, ano naman yung mga ingredients?
It's something that is comforting. Yan lang. Fried rice siya. So, crab fat. We fry it.
Kumbaga parang sinangag with it.
Yes.
Parang seafood hit-hitan pala
Then,
tayo.
pag kinakain siya, pwede siyang like, minimix.
Yeah, so normally we mix it and then we just get parang ganun.
So, may layer po siya ng daing, ng egg. Yan. Tapos ito, meron pa rin tayong mga baby shrimp.
Yes.
Mga salad.
Sige.
So, kumbaga yung ensalada on the side, then you just mix
The
it.
honor.
Okay, kaya mo yan.
Ayan. Sige, kuha na tayo ng
Well presented siya sa una, tapos sa haluin.
And pag Asian talaga, sinangag agad, di ba?
Yes.
Yes. Actually, CA Cafe, known siya sa tinapa fried rice.
Oh.
This one's just new in the menu. Kaya, try nyo, then let me know.
Ikaw ba, chef? Of all, of course, yung menu nyo, aside from these, baka meron ka pang, ano bang favorite mo sa menu nyo? Pasta siguro, probably the rice.
The rice, ito. Yeah, I like that.
Ito.
I like that. Madami din kasi we also make a homemade corned beef. So nagbabrine kami ng brisket for 10 days. Yeah, so medyo ano din.
Lahat yun, chef. Kasi ang daming binabanggit na mga from scratch na process. Lahat yun, kaya sa kitchen
Yes.
dito.
So A Cafe has a commissary din. So we can also supply like breads and pastries and pastas.
And so ngayon meron naman tayo iba pang options, no? I think aside from yung
Alleged
fried
rice.
rice na to, of course meron din tayong, anong fried rice na to siya?
So this one is rosemary garlic fried rice with pork loin steak and barbecue sauce. So again, homemade yung barbecue sauce. And it's served with grilled vegetables.
Right.
And this one, we have the chicken teriyaki.
Mm-hmm.
So yun nga, very international.
Yes.
Siyempre, pag
Nice.
Asian, hindi rin mawawala ang kanin.
Mhm.
So,
And you
for
have
those
different
na,
options ng
Yes,
rice.
na prefer yung parang white rice lang or
Correct.
pwedeng plain rice din. Or may alligator rice.
And
I
with
think-
rosemary rice.
Yes. I
Nice.
think very ano tong
Marami pang
alligator
options
rice.
ng rice.
Parang nakita ko nga, no?
Turmeric fried rice with
Turmeric fried rice. Grabe. Parang lahat na ng Asian and even yung mga other international cuisines, no? Na-touch na nila.
At syempre, meron din tayo mga coffee dito, Harvey. So,
Ikaw, ano ba yung
ang
drink mo
in-order
dyan?
ko ay syempre ang famous at ang nag-trend na coffee dalgona.
Nice. Ako naman, I ordered yung kanilang hazelnut matcha
Matcha. Yes.
with, I think, glass jelly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. Ako, titikman ko na to.
Perfect sa tag-init, Harvey.
Right.
Siguro ang tanong na lang ng bayan, Chef April, ano ba yung price range ninyo?
So
for,
price range is
yan. Siguro starting with the breads. Ano yung mga price range?
bread straightforward. Price range like above 50 to whatever. Abot siya ng 150. Depende kung ano. So yung sourdough weight is 250 to 40.
And then
Not
for
bad.
yung mga appetizers.
So the appetizers,
Or
actually the
masal.
food it's parang nag-range siya sa 350 up to 800.
800.
So meron din kami mga promos and packages na
So for example, meron mga siguro mga meetings pa ganyan. So allowed naman po kayo na
but then we can close the cafe for private event.
Do you accept din ba reservations? As in, say for example, just for one table, ganyan.
We do accept
Okay.
reservations.
Where can they call for reservations, for any inquiries with your menu or your opening hours? Meron ba kayong Facebook?
There's a Facebook.
Meron
page.
Facebook,
Meron
okay.
din Instagram. Yes.
Wow.
Meron
and
sa TikTok.
TikTok meron. Alam mo actually parang lahat na, no? Before parang yung TikTok or yung even itong iba-ibang platforms are just for
Kasi
socials.
usually doon sila kumukuha din ng mga reels na doon nila nakikita
Tama.
ano ba yung feel ng cafe,
Tama.
kung meron bang songs para sa
Yeah,
mga
yeah.
nag-work from
Friendly
home.
naman siya.
Yes.
So
Pet
itong-
friendly din ba siya?
Hindi siya
friendly.
Pero itong mismong branch dito sa may San Juan, gano'n na siya katagal talaga?
They've been here for 2 years.
2 years.
2 years this year.
Mhm.
So, yun.
Nice. Alam mo, we're really thankful, no? Nakakabusog. Ang dami natin
Yes.
natikman. Ang dami pa nating dapat tikman.
At full package siya, Harvey.
Yeah.
May coffee, may bread, may kanin, may
Yes,
pasta,
yes.
everything.
Yeah.
Desserts, yan, meron.
Yan. Alright, so thank you again, Chef April, for having us.
Ayan, sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo sa food trip namin
Ako
ngayong
nag-enjoy ako,
araw.
Erica. Parang dami ko atang nakain.
Oo nga, at everything was A-okay.
Right.
Ika nga. At muli nagpapasalamat po kami sa owner po ng A-Cafe at maging kay Chef April na nakasama po namin today.
Yeah. And therefore, leaving you with this verse, therefore, whether you eat or drink or whatever you do all to the glory of God.
At samahan niyo po kami muli sa susunod namin na food trip, bringing comfort to your weekend.
One bite at a time. Here at
So Food Saturdays!